The acting president, Professor Yemi Osinbajo, presides over the National Economic Council meeting at the presidential villa. One of the issues discussed at the closed-door meeting is the decentralization of police operations.
The council decided that a committee would be set up with representation from each political zone to be chaired by the Inspector General of Police, so that we'll find ways of decentralizing police operations so that there will be greater access to information, and handling these situations will become much easier rather than a centralized and cumbersome approach.
The lack of coordination among security agencies is also being addressed, while there was an appeal to sustain the current military operations, which has reduced insecurity in some parts of the country.
The confidence to return to their various homes is not yet guaranteed. But honestly, there is significant improvement. The killings are a lot less. And so what we are saying is that we should not be in a hurry to remove Operation Wellstroke from Benue State.
The federal government is also asking states to remit 41 billion naira outstanding value-added tax.
The outstanding due to the state of about 41 billion that he believed the states will have to pay, and come up also with a new technique and system that will help automatic collection and when the contractors are paid for both VAT and withholding tax.
The Jigawa governor explains measures by the council to optimize the contributions of micro, small and medium enterprises, which has hit 37 million to boost the nation's economy. In the meantime, state governors have agreed to work more closely with security agencies to deal firmly with existing threats, even as the federal government is planning to decentralize police operations to deepen its fight against insecurity just months away from the 2019 general elections. From the presidential villa, Gloria Umezuke, Channels Television News.